Good evening everyone, Sonya Avellin speaking. Tonight's top story is on the car tire industry and its supply chain. Global transportation relies heavily on the availability and the reliability of car tires. Our vehicles need systematic tire replacement during its lifetime. Bridgestone, Michelin and Goodyear are leading the global market, detaining 38% of the market share. But a growing number of smaller players is gaining a foothold in the market share, resulting in a highly competitive global tire market. Therefore, having a strong global supply chain is a vital competitive weapon in an increasingly challenging global market. The typical tire industry supply chain can be called as a closed-loop supply chain network. In the forward supply chain, to get their raw materials, the tire plants have two options: purchasing them from external suppliers, or the other option is buying them from the tire recycling facilities. Next, raw materials are shipped to the tire manufacturer where tires are produced and designed. Then, different types of brand new tires are transported to distribution centers. In addition to brand new tires, retreated tires are shipped from several retreating companies to distribution centers to meet the secondary market requirements. From the distribution centers, tires are shipped to two main groups of customers. So there is the original equipment manufacturer's customer, and the other one is the replacement customer, so technical assistance center for automobiles, garage, fast fitters, tire wholesalers and retail shops. Following the forward supply chain, the reverse supply chain takes place. A proportion of used tires from the end user is collected at the collection center. Used tires in an appropriate condition for the retreating process are transported to retreating companies directly, whereas the remaining scrap tires can be evaluated for different alternative uses. The use of information technology system is a long-term strategy for tire companies, as it allows them better internal and external communication. For instance, the German tire manufacturer Continental has successfully implemented a TPS, a transaction processing system, such as electronic data interchange, that allows communication of delivery schedule, shipping notification, inventory report, invoice or self-billing invoices, ISN, delivery and transport data. Nowadays, businesses have to incorporate internet in their daily activities through e-procurement. Indeed, tire manufacturers transitioning from the old EDI to e-procurement are able to integrate their supply chain from end-to-end, suppliers to end user, with share pricing, availability and performance data that will allow buyers and suppliers to work to optimum and mutually beneficial prices and schedules. Finally, the adoption of enterprise resources planning system from tire manufacturer eliminates the repetition of data by using a single and integrated, accurate source of information. What ERP does is it collects the organization's shared transactional data from multiple sources, so finance and accounting departments, purchasing, human resources, etc. The use of such system benefits a tire business in many ways. Nonetheless, the tire industry faces challenges in the coming decade. There is a consistent innovation triggered by competition. To stand out or stay in the market, tire manufacturers need to adopt two main strategies. So it's product technology innovation or low-cost pricing strategies. Large manufacturing companies often undertake this initiative by innovating through product development or product differentiation. The global context of increasing scarcity of raw materials, pollution and climate change has shifted consumer behavior towards a more efficient vehicles that are basically equipped with fuel-saving tires, such as electric and hybrid vehicles characterized with low resistance tires. There is a corporate social responsibility requirement, so tire companies aim to reduce the impacts throughout the life cycle of the tires through a circular economy approach. The Michelin proposal involves the 4R strategy: reduce, reuse, recycle, and renew. So that's it for me today. Thanks for your company. Good night.